The fact that you're here usually means that there's a new set of unnecessary things I have to try on. So this is the latest version of Sephora's Give Me Some Lip. They come out with a lot. Nude lip, new lip, bold lip. That sounds like a Dr. Seuss rhyme. Red lip, blue lip, new lip, bold lip. I'm gonna stop now. There are 6 products in here. That's usually the number. It's usually 6. There's only one full-size product, so sometimes there are 2 full-size products, and those are my favorite sets because I feel like the value's a lot better. So this set contains 2 glosses, like 3 lipsticks, and 1 liquid lipstick. So let's just jump right into swatches. The first thing I'm going to try on is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea H2O Gloss Lip Gloss in Bora Bora. Let's see. This is just like, to me it just looks like clear gloss with a bunch of glitter, which is my least favorite thing. It has no discernible scent, which makes me happy because everybody knows that I go nuts when things are like minty and stuff. Whoa! Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna... Wow, this is really interesting. So this has definitely got like a duochrome, super purpley pink duochrome. Hopefully you can see this properly, but wow, like I think my lips are purple and I'm trying to like check out the viewfinder. I like that it doesn't burn. I know, like, that's like my #1 thing. I don't know why all of these lip glosses have to burn. Like, even ones that aren't plumping start burning, but this is not burning. It's actually really cool, and I think used with a mauve or a pink lipstick or lip liner, you can really add dimension to whatever you have on. The next thing I'm gonna try on is the Urban Decay HiFi lip gloss in SPL. I don't know what SPL is supposed to stand for, but it says HiFi Shine Ultra Cushion lip gloss. This to me is like a less fun version of the one I just tried on. I like the Tarte one a lot better. This already smells and tastes like mint, which means it's burning. Like, it's pretty much just your basic pink lip gloss, like clear pink, like I just see my lip color through it. Basic clear lip gloss with a little bit of glitter. Not a huge fan, and I don't understand the cushion feel of it, but just the fact that it's minty and it's burning is already a no-go in my book, but if that doesn't bother you, then you'll probably like this. I think that if you are into lip gloss, I think most people who try this set will like the Tarte better. Just because it's more unique. It's a little bit cooler. The next thing I'm going to try is the Bite Beauty Prismatic Multi-Stick in Pink Pearl. The multi-sticks are really cool. For me personally, like, I never really caught on to them because I just don't really care that much for the multi-purpose product that is like the size of a lipstick, because it's just too small for me to use as a multi-purpose product. This is a very, another kind of topper product in my opinion, but it's definitely super glittery, which I'm not a fan of, but I could see myself using this kind of in the middle of my lip. Okay, now we're moving on to a few of the products that I think I will really like, just personal preference wise. The first 3 were like topper products in my opinion, and now we're getting into the more pigmented opaque products. This is Kat Von D's Studded Kiss Creme Lipstick in Lovecraft, and I've owned this lipstick before. I don't have it anymore, but it's a beautiful color. I'm already a huge fan. Like I said, I used to have a full size of this, so I've used it before. The only issue I have with the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Creme lipsticks is that they can get a little bit dry and crumbly sometimes. It's weird, they kind of crumble off, but I think they're really opaque and really pigmented. This color is gorgeous. It's one of my favorite colors that Kat Von D has come out with, so I'm a huge fan of it. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna try on is the Grande Lips Plumping Liquid Lipstick in the color Smoked Cherry. In my opinion, this is a super interesting product because it's going to be a very bold color on some people, and it's going to be a very neutral color and a nude color on some people. So I think this is cool. With it being plumping, I already know it's going to burn the crap out of my lips, and I'm going to cry. So let's just get it over with. I really like this color. It's almost like a wine color on me. I feel it burning. I don't know how a liquid lipstick can plump, but off the bat, I'm not a huge fan of this. It's very dry, and like with one application, I couldn't get enough product. So I probably have to dip it in the tube multiple times, which I don't like doing. It just feels dry. It's not really, it's just weird, and it burns, and it's a little bit, it's not opaque enough. So when I was layering, it was kind of taking off the parts that I had already applied. So off the bat, not a huge fan of this again. Okay, last but definitely not least, the only full-size product in this set, This is the Anastasia matte lipstick in the color Ruby. And when I opened this set to find that there was a full-size red lipstick, I was low-key, I was disappointed because I think a lot of people have a lot of reds. And I think I would like to see something more unique as the full-size product. And I would like to see 2 full-size products. I'm a little picky with these sets, but let's try this on. Okay, I don't even want to talk about this. Like, I kind of gave up halfway through applying that. The formula is so dry, I could not even get, like, I was like pulling. This is like all, I mean, just like, look at this. Like, pardon my application, but it's horrible. Like, it just, I mean, it looks fine from far away. I think it is so dry. The color is beautiful. I really like it. I just wish the formula on application wasn't so horribly dry. So weird. And I'm like all outside of my lip lines now. Overall, the set is interesting. I'm not a huge fan of it. I would have liked a little bit more variety. I think there are so many different kinds of lip products. First of all, I want 2 full-size products in these sets. Like, Sephora can afford to make this a real value. It is a good value set, but I want 2 full-size products. Like, there are so many cool sets and products out there these days. Like, give me a reason to really want your product, right? So that's my first thing. I want 2 full-size products, and I'm being greedy and I know it. And there are a lot of lip toppers. So there's 3 like really light glittery lip toppers, and then there's 3 like slightly darker shades that are matte. So I would like to have a little bit better of a mix. This is just to give me some lip set, so I think we can include some nudes